So rapper Emtee was involved in a car accident this week. In a series of now deleted posts on Twitter, the musician said that this was a minor setback. The Manando hitmaker Emtee was in a car crash this week in Midrand at the Precinct Luxury Apartments. The rapper was said to have crashed onto a stationary vehicle while he was driving his silver Volkswagen Caravelle T5 on Monday. A video of the rapper making a phone call and looking distressed circulated all over social media, and it has sparked a buzz online. In a now deleted post, Emtee said, "I just got into an accident. I know you don't care, but God is with me 24/7. Minor setback for a major comeback." So that's what he said, and people shared this video of him looking distressed and also making some calls out there for help. We just hope that everything is okay, his car is okay, and he's also okay. All the best to Emtee. We love you, man.